Here's our guide to making sure you're aware of any problems before they're highlighted at the MOT, giving you more time to get them rectified and improving your chances of getting a pass first time. There are plenty of things you can do to minimise your chances of an MOT fail. This guide will help you identify possible problems before your car's big day. Number 1. Sitting in your car, check the handbrake works correctly. If you have to pull a lever a long way up, if it clicks too many times, the cable may need adjustment. While you're there, check the seatbelt for fraying, cuts or other signs of damage. The front seats must be securely attached and the backrest must lock in the upright position. Then check the steering wheel doesn't feel too loose, as this could indicate wear in the linkage. Number 2. You can also check your brake fluid level. Press the brake pedal to make sure it doesn't feel too spongy. If it does, there may be air or moisture in the hydraulic system, which will need to be looked at by one of our technicians. Number 3. Make sure your wing mirrors and rear view mirror are in good condition and that you can adjust them. If they're broken or cracked, make sure to replace the mirror glass or the entire mirror. Look through your windscreen. There shouldn't be any cracks or chips within the driver's field of view. Number 4. Check your wiper blades and washers work. And top up your screen wash if it's a bit low. Also, check your horn works. While doing this, double check your number plates are in good condition. A cracked one can mean a failure. Number 5. Check all of your car's external lights are working properly. Your number plates and all the lights must be clean and undamaged, so give them a good scrub if necessary. If any of your lights aren't working, replace the bulbs. Number 6. Check your car tyres and for damage and tread depth. Gauge it with a 20p coin to check the amount of tread remaining. If you can see the rim of the coin, you need to change the tyres. The legal minimum is 1.6.